Guys, welcome to Guinness Great Celebrity Grill-Off Challenge. In front of you, you'll find a mystery box of ingredients. Your challenge is to create a grilled dish from the ingredients given to you. And you have 30 minutes to do so. Okay, and your time starts now.
Ooh, yes.
What do we have? Oh, mangoes.
Oh, whoa, the first thing I saw, Guinness.
No way. What is this? Waste time, I cannot cook.
Look, I got prawns, drunken prawns, right?
Butter is always good as well.
Sambal guacala.
Oh, jackpot. Pork belly. I have meat.
Sausages.
Vic, you up? You feeling husky? This is about the only thing that I can use.
There's one competitor we don't need to worry about.
You wait, you wait.
All right, let's get cooking, man.
I don't know what to do. I got brinjal. Cheers.
Okay, I'm gonna marinate it. Hopefully this works. I've actually never used Guinness as an ingredient before.
Start by marinating my prawns. Adding a bit of this, my magic ingredient.
And I'm gonna try and make a reduction with my Guinness. Okay, I might as well just put my sausages on. Oh, yeah, that sizzle.
Oh, I'm using the wrong side of the knife.
Add a little bit of flavor.
Everyone, you have 5 minutes left. 5 minutes.
Oh, no.
Again, it's all about plating.
My popcorn isn't popping. Is my grill not hot enough?
Oh, it's not cooked through though.
And guys, 3, 2, 1, your time is up. Hands off.
All right.
All right, bring your dishes to the front.
Okay, guys, chef, we're all here.
Now is the interesting part. The taste test. Yeah. Brendan, you had the tough choice of using guacala, but unfortunately your prawns, some are overcooked, and there's one that is raw in the center. Next dish. Gosh. This is an interesting dish.
Interesting is good.
Yeah, it's to the point I have no words. Oh. All right, next. Sweet potato with Guinness.
Yes,
glaze.
Guinness, a little bit of herbs.
You know, the pork nicely seasoned, nicely grilled, well done. But you know, the sweet potato, it's undercooked. All right, last dish. Well, it's nice. I mean, sausage and Guinness goes well together, but there's this bitter onion bits on the top, which kind of spoils the dish. Okay, great effort, everyone, but there can only be one winner. Victoria. You have a prize as well. Lots more.
Join us for char grilled meats, signature brews, and more at
The Great Grill-Off!